चेकमेट द लीड ऑन चेन एनालिस्ट एट ग्लासनोड काफी देर से मार्केट पर अपनी आंख गड़ाए हुए हैं। उनका मानना है कि इवन दो बिटकॉइन इज करेक्टिंग, द एवरेज ट्रांजैक्टर इज स्टिल टेकिंग प्रॉफिट्स। Hey guys, my name is Ritika and you're watching Altcoin Buzz News. वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले प्लीज मेक श्योर दैट यू सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल सो दैट आपको मिल पाए all the buzzworthy updates and insights that you'll be needing to stay ahead of the game. Also, before we get on with the video, I just want to say that ये financial advice बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. We wish you nothing but the best with all your crypto ventures. ब्रेस योर सेल्फ क्योंकि कॉइन टेलीग्राफ मार्केट्स प्रो और ट्रेडिंग व्यू के लेटेस्ट डेटा के हिसाब से बिटकॉइन यूएसडी इज हेडिंग टुवर्ड्स $28,800 on Bitstamp. Earlier today there was some quick buys below $28,600, but Bitcoin अभी भी फेस कर रहा है एक significant resistance level of $29,000 and traders are closely monitoring a crucial support zone. Another exciting news for the day, Coinbase ने पूरे financial system को हिला कर रख दिया है. And it is making headlines once again with their exciting announcement of a go broad and go deep strategy for global expansion. Now, what does this mean for us regular folks? Well, in short, इसका मतलब ये है कि Coinbase एक मिशन पर है to increase economic freedom and opportunity for everyone around the world by building trusted products that expand the adoption and utility of crypto. और इस मिशन को अचीव करने के लिए Coinbase is establishing regulated entities and local operations in high-bar regulatory jurisdictions abroad with a focus on international growth. लेकिन बात सिर्फ रीच एक्सपैंड करने की नहीं है. Coinbase is also working closely with global regulators to ensure customer protection and trust. But what really sets Coinbase apart is their go abroad and go deep strategy. इस अप्रोच का सीधा गोल ये है to create products that are a gateway to Web3 and crypto across the globe. तो चाहे आप एक seasoned crypto pro है और you're just dipping your toes into the world of digital assets, Coinbase तो काफी मेहनत कर रहा है to make sure that everyone has the opportunity to benefit from this groundbreaking technology. Another exciting news for crypto fans. Helium, a popular blockchain platform, is set to migrate to Solana, a new platform with even more potential for unlocking exciting use cases around the network. और इस ओकेजन को मार्क करने के लिए Helium team is creating a mass scale NFT mint. But what exactly does this mean? Well, for starters, Helium network का हर एक physical hotspot node will be represented by an NFT as part of the migration process. और इन NFTs को claim किया जाएगा by their hotspot owners when they log into their wallets. The migration process itself is also worth noting. Helium developers ने existing blockchain का एक snapshot लिया और सभी necessary transactions को new blockchain पर load कर दिया. And best of all, the contracts are permissionless and on-chain, meaning that the process is transparent and open to all. Well, that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in with us, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye.